Lots of my viewers were asking that why am I not getting leads? Why am I not earning from CPA network? Is CPA network really pay money? Today in this video I'm going to share with you a step by step with proof how can you earn money with CPA network. You should watch this full video without skipping. Here you can see my today's revenue. I have made $233.71. Here you can see people's earnings. This person has earned over $3,000. This person has earned over $2,000. This person has earned over $3,000. As you can see here, all these people are making money every single day. I will also share with you free traffic method to get loads of audience every single day, and I will give you bonus tips to maximize your earnings. This video is going to be very interesting and very helpful for you. This video is going to fulfill your all thoughts. You should not miss this opportunity. I'm going to teach you a step by step, so watch this full video all the way until the end. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. I wanna share with you this website which I will tell you later. Here you can see you can get up to 1000 visitors to your websites every 3 days for free. You can get free traffic for your website. You can advertise your profile in free. Your website will be automatically submitted on search engines. Guys, this network will advertise your website in free, so you do not need to worry about investments. You are going to get loads of audience in free. Here you can see you can get instantly traffic for your website. Here you can see this website is saying that you can get minimum granted 1000, 2000 or 4000 visitors to your websites every month granted. You are going to get loads of audience on your website for free. Now let me tell you how you can earn money using this audience. Guys, watch this full video without skipping. First of all, I'm going to make simple landing page using Google site, and then I will add a high paying CPA offers on my landing page to earn a high amount of money. You can go on Google site. Now I'm going to open here blank template. Click here to open blank template. Now click here to delete this header section. I'm going to create here landing page related to boxer shorts. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate articles. You can go on ChatGPT website and you can ask here, write best searchable title on keyword boxer shorts. Now click here. Now you can ask here, write description on above title in 200 words. Now I'm going to copy and paste this text. Click here to copy this title. Now go on Google site and click on text box. Paste here that title. Now I'm going to customize it. Select this text, click here. Now make it title. Click here to make it bold. Now go on ChatGPT. Click here to copy this article. Go on Google site and click on text box. Paste here that text. Now I'm going to insert here image. You can copy this text. Now open new tab and search here that text. Click on images button. Here you can see there are a lot of images. You can select any of this image. For example, I'm going to use this image. Click here to open this image. Now right click on this image. Click on copy image address button. Now go on Google site and click on images button. Click on select button. Click on link button. Now paste your image URL. Now click on insert image button. I'm going to insert here more images. Okay, after inserting image, you can type your page title. Now in next step, I'm going to insert your CPA link. You can go on Cpagrip network. Guys, this is the best and trusted CPA network. You can earn lots of money using this network. This network is available worldwide, so no matter what country you are in, you can earn lots of money from anywhere in the world. Here you can see Cpagrip network have fast payment option. You can instantly transfer your money. Cpagrip network have high payout CPA offers to choose from. You can promote high paying CPA offers to earn a high amount of money. Here you can see a statistics overview. If you will generate 696 leads, then you can earn over $1,000. To earn money, first of all, you will have to register on this website. You can click on register button. It will then take you to this page. You can simply type here your first name, last name, your address. You can type your email address and password, and you will have to accept its terms and conditions. And at last, you can click on register register now button. After creating Cpagrip account, you can click on offer tools button. Now click on my offers button. You can select your country. You can select your Germany country. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can click on payout button. Here you can see all these CPA offers have high payout rates. If you will promote this CPA offer, then you can earn $6.42. If you will promote this CPA offer, then you can earn $5.48. Here you can see this CPA offer is accepting desktop device. This CPA offer is accepting Apple iOS, and this CPA offer is accepting Android device. I'm going to promote these 3 CPA offers. You can click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see CPA link, and here you can see payout rates. When someone will click on this CPA link from Germany country using desktop device and they will just sign up, then you will earn $5.48 per person. You can simply select this text. Now I'm going to translate this text. Click on translate full page button. You can copy this title. Now go on Google site. I'm going to paste here that text. Click on text box. Now paste here that text. You can also type here it's free and available only in Germany country. Now I'm going to insert your button. Click on button. Now type your button name. You can type here are you using desktop. Click here. Now I'm going to paste your CPA link. You can go on Cpagrip website and change this domain. You can select any of this domain. Now copy this CPA link. Go on Google site and paste here that CPA link. Now click on insert button. Now resize this button. Similarly, I'm going to insert here another button for Apple iOS users. Click on button. Now type your button name. You can type here are you using Apple iOS. Click here. Now I'm going to paste your CPA link. Go on Cpagrip website. Here you can see this CPA offer is accepting Apple iOS device. Click here to open this CPA offer. Here is showing CPA link. Click here to copy this CPA link. Now go on Google site and paste here that CPA link. Click on insert button. Now customize this button. I'm going to insert here another button for Android users. Click on button. Type your button name. You can type here are you using Android phone. Go on Cpagrip website. Here you can see this CPA offer is accepting Android device. Click here to open this CPA offer. Here is showing CPA link. Click here to copy this CPA link. Now go on Google site and paste here that CPA link. Click on insert button. Now customize this button. Now select this section. Click on duplicate section button. Now drag this section here. Okay, after completing it, you can click on publish button. Now type your unique web address. Click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. My Google site has published successfully. Now you can go on this platform called locanto.de. Guys, this is a great and popular advertising platform in Germany. Here you can see all categories. You can advertise car, bike, boat. You can provide services, events, property, industry, jobs, sale, personals, dating, courses, and neighborhood. Here you can see most popular places. As you can see here, this platform is getting more than 173,000 visitors monthly. And here you can see this platform is getting more than 97% visitors from Germany. If you will advertise your Google site on this platform, then you can get lots of audience from Germany country. You can click on place and add button. Now first of all, you will have to create account. You can click here. Now type your email address and click on join now button. You can type your name and password. You can click here to accept its terms and conditions. Now this is optional. Scroll down. Guys, if you will create premium account, then you will have to spend some money. You can get all of these benefits in premium account. If you do not want to spend money, then you can click here. As you can see here, my account has been activated. Now select here this option. Click on submit button. Now click on place and add button. Now type your title. You can go on your Google site and you can copy this title. Now go on this platform and paste here the title. Now click on this button. You can select your category. Select your subcategory. Now type your description. You can go on your Google site, scroll down. You can copy this description. Now go on this platform and paste here that description. Now you can insert here your Google site URL. You can go on your Google site, click on this link icon. Here you can see Google site URL. You can click here to copy this Google site URL. Now go on this platform and paste your Google site URL. Click on further button. Now I'm going to add your picture. Now scroll down, click on further button. Now you can type your price. Here you can see they're asking website URL. You can paste here your Google site URL. You can also provide here your telephone number. Click on further button. Select your city. You can select any city in Germany country. Click on this button. Now click on place and add button. Now click on continue button. Yeah, here we go. My advertisement has published successfully. You can click here to view this advertisement. As you can see here, my advertisement is looking great. Guys, here is showing my website URL. When someone will click on this URL, then they will be redirect on my Google site. When that person will click on this button, then they will be redirect on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will just enter his email address, then you will earn $5.48 per person. Guys, if you want to know hidden secrets of CPA marketing, then you should check my premium course. You can get this course URL in this video description box below. Now in next step, you can go on this network. This is a great and trusted ad network. You can get lots of audience using this ad network. Here you can see you can get up to 1000 visitors to your website every 3 days for free. This ad network will advertise your website in free. Here you can see this website is saying you can get minimum granted 4000 visitors to your websites every month granted. This website's name is Traffic Ad Bar. Here you can see this is a popular ad network. This ad network is getting over 600,000 visitors every month. And here you can see this ad network is getting almost 50% visitors from Germany country. You are going to get lots of audience from Germany country. Traffic Ad Bar is a great and popular ad network. You can get up to 1000 visitors to your websites every 3 days. First of all, you will have to create account on this ad network. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can simply type here your first name and your email address, and then you can click on join button. After verifying your email address, you will then come to this page. Here you can see they are asking what time would you like to receive the daily bonus points email. You can select your time. Now click on save button. Now I'm going to add here my website URL. I have created my website on Google site. You can go on Google site and click on this link icon. Here is showing website URL. Click here to copy website URL. Now go on this ad network and paste your website URL. Click on add a website button. Now type your website title. You can go on Cpagrip website and click here to open this CPA offer. You can copy this title. Now you can go on this ad network and paste here that title. Now you can open Google Translate. You can type here it's 100% free. Here you can see Google has translated this word into Germany language. You can click here to copy this text. Now go on this ad network. Now paste here that text. Go on Google Translate and you can type here this is available only in Germany. Here you can see Google has translated this text into Germany language. You can click here to copy this text. Now go on this ad network and paste here that text. Now scroll down, select your language. You can select your German language. Scroll down, you can select your Germany country. Here you can see they are asking when do you want your ad to be seen. You can select your date. You can select here any of this date. Now you can select your ending date. Click on add button. You can select your time. Click on save button. Here you can see they are saying you cannot use % symbol. I'm going to remove this % symbol. Scroll down, click on save button. Yeah, here we go. Click on OK button. As you can see here, they are saying you have 2 key ways to advertise your websites. Here you can see you will have to earn points to move up the level ladder. Here you can see if you have a website on level 10 and above, then they will send out 1022 links every 3 days. You can scroll down, you can click here. It will then take you to this page. Here you can see your second goal is to earn hits. To earn hits, you will have to view websites. You can view 25 websites every time. You can exchange your hits to extra points. Guys, you will have to download Traffic Ad Bar extension. If you are using Chrome browser, then you can click here. If you are using Firefox, then you can click here. As you can see here, you can get 500 bonus points every day you view websites. You can scroll down. Now click on this button. It will then take you to this page. Here you can see they are going to ask 2 questions. Here you can see they are asking, do you have your own website that you you have access to and design yourself. I have made my Google site. I'm going to select here yes option. Now they are asking, do you use other traffic exchanges and advertising? I'm going to select here no option. As you can see here, the bonus tips is that you can earn money using this ad network. You can earn money while you use traffic ad bar. You can click on this button. Now click on OK button. This is the last step of traffic ad bar. Here you can see you will have to check out daily your email. This ad network will send you daily email. You can click on the links in the daily email and earn points. You can also view other members' websites to earn points and hits in the ad network. You can scroll down. Now click on this button. Here you can see congratulations message. You got a $25 bonus and you can get it when you sign up immediately. No investment required and it's completely free. You can click on OK button. Here you can see traffic ad bar is advertising Money Easily platform. If you will create account on this Money Easily platform, then you can get $25 bonus. This ad network is promoting like CPA offers. When someone will sign up on this platform, then traffic ad bar will get one lead. For this lead, they will earn money. As you can see here, loads of people are advertising website on traffic ad bar network. You can click on return to dashboard button. Guys, here is showing my earnings. You can click here to earn points and here is showing referral link. You can click on websites button. Click on your websites button. Guys, as you can see here, you can add another 4 websites. If you have made blogger website, then you can add here your blogger website URL. Now you can click on add a website button. Here you can see I have earned over 100,000 points and I have viewed 2 websites. You will have to view members' websites to earn points and hits. This ad network works like if you will view someone's website, then someone will view your website. You can get up to 1,000 visitors to your websites every 3 days for free. Guys, when someone will visit on your website and they will click on this button, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will just enter his email address, then you will earn $5.48 per person. It's one of the best and easiest way to earn a high amount of money online. Suppose if you will generate 20 leads per day, then you can earn over $100 per day. As you can see here, today I have made $233.71. Cpagrip transfer money to PayPal account and pay you near account. Guys, if you want to know hidden secrets of CPA marketing, then you should check my premium course. You can get this course URL in this video description box below. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.